This, I just got it in the mail. It's a wok. It comes in pieces. You're gonna have to take the whole thing apart. And they also give you a steamer for any kind of steam buns that you're gonna do, or any dumplings that you want to do. You can steam them too. But the wok itself, beautiful. You can see kind of like a rockish format. I'm gonna put it together. I'm gonna cook on it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, here's the steamer that came along with it. I just rinsed it out right now. This steamer is really good if you want to make your own food, like steamed food, vegetables. Not only vegetables, but also dumplings. That's what it really is. Use it to make chicken fried rice. Just like Benihana's, but a little bit homemade. So that's what we're going to do. All right, we're going to start cooking our version of the fried rice. We're going to start with chicken and sesame oil. We're going to cook the chicken first. Garlic butter, I put butter in this one, all right? So and I mixed it up. It was a little bit of garlic. I'm gonna put a lot of this. We're gonna put 2 eggs, 2 or 3 eggs, I would say. 1, 2.